All right, hello, welcome to the weather update for November 16th, 2018. It's a little after 2 p.m., and I want to bring you the the totals. So let's get to it before I even get to the models. Let's talk about the latest precipitation and wind reports that we've had. And some areas of Connecticut saw a foot of snow. New Fairfield, 12.1 inches. Newton, 8.2 inches. I'm not going to read all of these. I'll put the links in the video, but Connecticut was hit very hard. New Haven County, Waterbury, 9.3 inches. What about Fairfield County? What about Stamford? 3.8 arcs. So Southern Fairfield didn't get hit that much harder than Long Island, but further north it was worse. Bergen County in New Jersey, 7.8 inches at Westwood. So some areas of Bergen County saw 6 to 7 inches. Essex County, 7.1 at Cedar Grove. Hudson County and Kearney, 6 inches. Passaic County, Hawthorne, 7 inches. I'm not going to read all of these to you, but the city really just got... The city, Nassau, and, oh my, we got to get to Orange County upstate. They really got hammered. So, in the Bronx, they got around 6 inches. In Brooklyn, Sheepshead Bay, 5 inches. In Nassau County on the North Shore, Manhasset got up to 6.5 inches of snow. And North Massapequa, 5.6 inches. Syosset, 5.5. In Plainview, 5 inches. East Williston, 5 inches. Bethpage, 5 inches. Mannahaven, 4.9 inches. Albertson, 4.5 inches. New Hyde Park, 4.5 inches. Wantagh, 4.5 inches. And Massapequa, 4 inches. In New York City, Manhattan, Central Park got 6.4 inches of snow. And nobody was prepared for this. And that's why it was such a disaster yesterday. Everybody was stuck in traffic, and there was chaos on the buses, and it was chaos in Port Authority. It was because nobody was prepared, because the forecasters didn't want to take into account the possibility that this could happen. But, you know, the MTA and the city planning, they should have their own forecasters, and they should look at the worst model and prepare for that scenario. All right, just in case it happens. All right, and the NAM had us getting this amount of snow. It did. It did. All right, it had us getting 6 inches. All right. So in Orange County, this is where the high numbers are, folks. Really crazy. Mount Hope, 18.3 inches of snow. Garden, there's got to be records. These got to be records. Newburgh, a foot of snow. All right, these are crazy numbers here that you're looking at. All right. Putnam County and Garrison, it's 9 inches of snow. Brewster, 7.6 inches of snow. In Queens, Astoria, 5.7. So Queens got, somehow they got a little less than Manhattan. Whitestone, 5.4. Regal Park, 5 inches. Kennedy Airport, 4.8. LaGuardia, 4.7. Jamaica, 3.8. And only one reading from Staten Island and Dogan Hills, 3.8 inches. Rockland also got hit hard. Sloatsburg, 8 inches. Upper Nyack, 7.3 inches. New City, 6.8 inches. And here in Suffolk County, it got a little less than Nassau, but still a substantial amount. Much more than forecast. But the NAM had us getting hit like this. It did getting it. North Babylon, 5.3 inches. Comac, 5 inches. Medford, 5 inches. Sayville, 4.9 inches. Yaphank, 4.8 inches. Upton, 4.6 inches. Islip Airport, 4.3 inches. Smithtown, 4.1 inches. Port Jefferson, 4 inches. West Islip, 4 inches. Dix Hills, they're all 4 inches. Farmingville, 3.8. So the numbers get a little less as you head out East Ridge, 3.6 inches. And out at the tip of the North Fork at Orient, 3.5 inches. All right, Westchester also wound up getting hit hard. In Jefferson Valley, 8.5 inches. Somers, 8 inches. White Plains, 7 inches. Ossining, 7 inches. We knew Westchester was going to get the accumulation. But for our area, we just didn't know. And then the storm total rainfalls, we have, generally that was correct. Between one, looks like Connecticut got around 1.25 inches. Mostly everybody's around 1.25 inches. Actually, I don't see any 2-inch numbers here, so we actually did get less actual precipitation. I was looking at maybe close to 2 inches, but most areas got around 1.5 to 1.75 inches. Highest numbers on Long Island seem to be out on the south shore of Suffolk. So Mastic Beach, 1.8. for Remsenburg, 1.61. I'll put a link if you in the video to all these numbers. And then there's some maximum sustained winds. And it was kind of windy, too, in certain areas. Great Gull Island, 67 miles an hour. Napiog had a wind gust of 59 miles an hour. Fisher's Island Airport, 59. Fire Island, 55. So and Farmingdale, not that high there, 43. But again, the combination of the wind, the heavy wet snow on the trees caused some power outages. I'm surprised it actually wasn't worse. Fortunately, a lot of the leaves had already fallen off the trees, and I think that helped us a great deal. I guess those rainstorms actually did us a favor by knocking a lot of those leaves down. Otherwise, there would have been a lot more power outages. Anyway, I'll briefly get into the forecast for you. So that storm pulls away. We have high pressure and fair weather for tomorrow, seasonable temperatures, and then we have another weak system, and then we have a really cold blast coming on Wednesday into Thursday. We're going to actually show you that. And then there's a coastal storm that winds up this won't be until next weekend. We're going to have to keep our eye on that, but that's a ways away. But I'll show you what I mean by the temperature being cold. So I'll just show you this. So you're going to see we got a really cold blast coming into Wednesday. We may be only in the 30s on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, only in the 30s. So it's going to be a really chilly day. And then it moderates a little bit. So we'll have seasonable temperatures. The next thing I just want to look at briefly is the sky conditions for this weekend. Let me get into that. Let's go to regions, sky conditions. Alright, so let's take a look and see. So today we had a lot of clouds around. Some sunshine, clouds mixing in, little instability. A little more sun tomorrow early on, and in the afternoon I think the clouds start increasing. And Sunday we'll probably have more clouds. So, but tomorrow should be a fairly nice day with seasonable temperatures. Temperatures should be in this is the GFS, of course. Temperatures should be in the mid 40s. Actually, maybe a little below normal. But we're going to have cold weather now. So winter has arrived. I think we got that message yesterday. I don't want to make this too long of a weather update. Anyway, that is it. Take care.